Welcome to Bedtime Morals, where every rhyme teaches and every story matters. Children, let's enjoy alphabet adventure.
Pack your bags, come follow me. We're off on an A to Z journey. From mountain tops to oceans blue, there's a letter and a world for you. A is for airplane flying high above. B is for balloon full of light and love. C is for castle made of dreams and stone. D is for dragon guarding all alone. E is for eagle soaring through the sky. F is for forest where foxes dart and spy. G is for galaxy twinkling in the night. H is for harbor with boats that shine so bright. Pack your bags, come follow me. We're off on an A to Z journey. Climb the hills and sail the seas. Let's find out what each letter sees. I is for island, sunny, warm and small. J is for jungle, full of monkey calls. K is for kite, dancing in the breeze. L is for lighthouse, guiding ships with ease. M is for mountain, standing proud and tall. N is for nest, tucked against the wall. O is for ocean, deep and full of sound. P is for pirate, where treasure can be found. From A to Z, we laugh and play, exploring letters every day. Open books or close your eyes, the alphabet is our surprise. Q is for queen, with a golden crown. R is for rocket, blasting off the ground. S is for safari, where wild creatures roam. T is for tent, our camping home. U is for unicorn, galloping through dreams. V is for valley, with sparkling mountain streams. W is for wagon, rolling through the plains. X marks the treasure, after sun or rain. Y is for yacht, on a sparkling bay. Z is for zipline, zooming all the way. Our alphabet adventure ends with stories, songs, and brand new friends. From A to Z, what fun we had! Let's go again, and we'll be glad. Hooray!
Thanks for watching Bedtime Morals. Please subscribe for more videos.